Welcome to Inner Purpose Therapy and this week's guided meditation. Now, I know meditation is typically performed sitting still, but for today's exercise, we are going to be mobile and present at the same time. So let me start with this. Have you ever struggled to connect? Have you found it difficult to get the time you need for you? Well, in today's practice, we will show you it's possible to be mindful at any time or place throughout your usual day. Take a moment to prepare, maybe lace up your shoes or simply stand by a window and notice the world outside. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. If possible, stand up and find a quiet space to walk slowly. Begin by standing still, grounding yourself through your feet. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Let's begin. Welcome to this mindful walking meditation. This practice is an invitation to step away from the busyness of your day, to disconnect from the constant stream of thoughts and to-do lists. For the next few moments, there is nowhere else you need to be, and nothing else you need to do. Our goal isn't to reach a destination, but to fully inhabit the journey of each step, creating a profound connection between your mind, your body, and the earth. Let's begin by finding a comfortable standing posture. Allow your feet to be about hip-width apart, your arms resting gently by your sides. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, your belly expanding. And as you exhale slowly through your mouth, release any tension you might be holding. Let's do that again. A deep inhale and a long, complete exhale. Allow your breath to settle into its own natural rhythm, a gentle anchor to this present moment. Bring your awareness down to the soles of your feet. Notice the points of contact with the surface beneath you. Can you feel the ground supporting your heels, the balls of your feet, each of your toes? Sense the stability, the solidness of the earth holding you. Feel that connection, that support, traveling up through your legs, allowing them to be strong and steady. Gently lengthen your spine, as if a string is pulling you softly upwards from the crown of your head. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Now, expand your awareness to the environment around you. Without judgment, simply notice. Feel the air on your skin. Is it cool or warm? Can you feel a gentle breeze? Listen to the soundscape. Perhaps you hear the rustle of leaves, distant traffic, or the simple, quiet sound of your own presence. Soften your gaze and take in the colors and shapes around you, without needing to name or analyze them. You are fully here, present and aware, ready to begin. When you feel ready, gently begin to walk. There's no destination, no rush. Start slowly, much more slowly than you normally would, allowing yourself to find a pace that feels natural and unhurried. This is your time, your practice. Let's break down the very first step. As you prepare to move, bring your awareness to the foot you will lift. Feel the weight shift onto your standing leg. Notice how the heel of your moving foot begins to peel away from the ground. Then the arch, the ball of the foot, and finally the toes. Sense the leg swinging forward, a gentle pendulum from the hip. Now, as you place the foot back down, feel the heel make contact first. Let the foot roll forward, the sole pressing gently into the earth until your toes connect and you are stable once more. Take a moment here, feeling the solid ground beneath both feet before you begin the next step. Continue this slow, deliberate rhythm, lifting, swinging, placing. Feel the sensation of your feet connecting and disconnecting with the earth. Notice the subtle conversation between your body and the ground beneath you. With each step, feel the gentle transfer of weight from one foot to the other, a delicate dance of balance. Can you feel the slight rise and fall of your body, like a gentle wave? Bring your awareness to the movement rippling up through your body, the ankles flexing, the knees bending, the hips swaying ever so slightly. Allow your arms to swing naturally at your sides, loose and free. Let your spine be long, your head balanced lightly on top, your gaze soft and directed a few feet ahead of you on the path. Now, let's invite the breath to join the movement. As you walk, simply notice your breathing. Is it shallow or deep? Fast or slow? There's no need to change it, just observe. You might find a natural rhythm emerges, perhaps inhaling for one step and exhaling for the next. Or maybe you inhale for 2 steps and exhale for 2. Experiment gently and find what feels comfortable for you. Let the breath be an anchor, a steady companion to the rhythm of your steps. Each inhale bringing fresh energy, each exhale releasing tension. It's natural for the mind to wander. You might find yourself thinking about your day, making plans, or replaying conversations. When you notice your attention has drifted, don't be discouraged. This is part of the practice. Gently, without judgment, acknowledge the thought and then guide your focus back to the feeling of your feet on the ground. As you continue, you can gently expand your awareness. Notice the feeling of the air on your skin. Listen to the sounds around you, the rustle of leaves, the distant call of a bird, the sound of your own footsteps. See the play of light and shadow on the path ahead. Take it all in without labeling or judging. Simply be present with the full sensory experience of this moment. You are not just walking through this space, you are a part of it. For the next few moments, continue walking in this mindful way. Stay connected to your body, your breath, and the world around you. Each step is a new beginning, a new opportunity to be fully present. Notice how calming and grounding this practice is as you walk in a state of mindfulness. When you're ready, take a final deep breath in and exhale fully. Feel the peace and presence you've cultivated during this practice. Slowly open your eyes. We hope you've enjoyed today's meditation. We are Inner Purpose Therapy, and we hope to see you again soon.